सपने सच हो जाते हैं, हर दुआ काम आती है, विश्वास की डोर है ऐसी, अपनों को खींच लाती है।
अजय भैया, अज्जू भैया both. You know, we can call him Ajju bhaiya as well. And Ajay bhaiya, we know very well about you that you are married and you have one small child as well. But still you did hard work. You got, you spent time for us and you came.
Yeah.
Where do you live in Indore?
I live in Panganga.
Panganga. How much kilometer from here?
5 kilometers.
It is 5 kilometers from here.
From here.
It is 5 kilometers from here. So yeah, it is very good that you are coming from there to here. So what did you decide before coming here, and what did you think before joining this class?
Sir, I decided 2017.
In 2017.
2017.
And right now, which
When I
is going on?
When I used to use my job, open my shop, then I meted you. Then I talk about your coaching classes. Then I thought when I will learn English, then I will go to Sanjay spoken classes. Then I decided I came here
Okay.
because I watched your video
On YouTube.
On YouTube. So I thought you are a good teacher.
Okay.
You are a good teacher for everyone.
Yeah. So I think you didn't see that my teaching talent, but you have seen my nature. That's why you came here.
Both are very good.
Yeah, both are
Your
very
teaching also good, and your nature is very good.
Your nature and my nature both are same. That's why we are connected with each other. These all are students like me. That's why they are here. Because there are many people in the city, but they are not connected with me.
Connected.
So just our thinking match with other person.
Yeah.
So the person can come with
Connected
us.
with
Yeah,
us.
they connected with us.
Yeah.
So this is good thing. And okay, within how much time have you completed in this class so far?
I have completed 6 months
6 months.
in coaching class.
In this coaching classes.
Yeah.
I think you have completed 6 months.
6 months.
And yeah, it is time to leave this class.
Yeah.
Okay, I think very good, and you decided to leave these classes, and I am also thinking that you have completed this
Yeah.
classes course. Some of the students has completed their course within 1 year, and they can complete their course within 5 or 6 months.
Yeah.
And it is my target to teach them everything within 6 months.
6 months.
But it is their wish. It is their wish to live here. That's why they completed 1 year. Because this coaching classes is like a home. We never think that it is a classes and something like a study point.
Yeah.
Never we realize that it is a study point. It is a like home. That's why we have
We never
completed.
scared to go to coaching.
Yeah. Okay, so okay, suppose choose any random topic and speak for 2 or 3 minutes according to you. You just want to listen your communication. You just want to listen your English.
So actually, I am talking about Indore city.
Indore city.
Indore city is the cleanest city of the world.
Yeah.
In the many there are many fooding area available like Shappan Dukan and Sarafa and novelty market. If we can purchase mobiles and some gift item, so we will go to novelty market to purchase gift item, and if we want to have some important food like many different food we want to have. So you want to go Sarafa Dukan. Sarafa Dukan is opened at 9 o'clock in the night.
In the night. Where is it? In Rajwada, nearby Rajwada.
Sir, Sarafa Dukan is situated nearby Rajwada.
Nearby Rajwada.
And the most famous foodie available in Sarafa Dukan like Munshi Dahi Vada and the Golden Man Kulfi Wala. Most of the people went to from Delhi and out of Indore to
Yeah, so Sarafa is very famous for fooding.
Sarafa is very famous for fooding.
And Chappan Shop is also very famous for fooding.
Chappan is fooding. Both are famous for fooding.
Okay. Yeah, just tell me what is your qualification?
Sir, I have completed my BE Mechanical Engineer from Architect College.
Okay. And nowadays, what are you doing
Sir, I did job trading
in trading?
in trading company.
Okay. And what is your goal? What is your dream? What do you want to become in your life?
Sir, I want to successful man
You
in
want
my
to
life.
become?
Yeah, I want to become successful man in my life. First of all, I want to earn more money.
Yeah.
Because I want to help poor people.
Yeah.
Because I am very emotionally person.
Yeah.
When I saw every day for people like we don't have money and we don't sufficient for purchase any clothes and any food items. So I am very emotionally and I am very connected to the people. So I will earn money and I will help to poor people.
Yeah. Okay. And do you have mobile?
Yes, I have got mobile, sir.
Okay. Suppose if we have to use mobile in a very good way, so how can we use that?
Sir, first of all, we can see most important thing we can which who so first of all we can see mobile.
We can use mobile
We
by
can use
many
mobile
ways.
by many ways.
Yeah.
First of all, we can use the by for learning.
For learning.
Yeah.
What can we learn with the help of
We
mobile?
can with the help of mobile we can learn English. We can learn many subject to mobile. We can
With the help of mobile.
because sir nowadays many YouTubers are available in YouTube and we can search many types of subject in YouTube in mobile. So we can learn easily with the help of mobile. For example, suppose we don't know how to read 10 chapter. So
Yeah.
I searched I searched on my mobile what is 10 chapter. Then I showed your video and many types of video.
Yeah.
So I can easily learn
Yeah.
with the help of mobile.
Okay. Very
So
good.
if we don't have money to pay the fees, so
We can learn by
we
sitting
can
at
easily learn by mobile.
Yeah. So what do you think about job? If you will get chance to do job in any company, so will you try to do that one
Yes, sir. I will to try job in BPO sector.
in BPO sector?
Because
Okay.
I want to search in a work from home job.
Work from home. It is better. Why are you thinking that you should get work from home?
Because sir, I have get many responsibility. So then I don't have get sufficient time.
Yeah, that's why.
That's why I decided right now many work from home job available in India.
Yeah.
So the most important thing we need to learn English.
Yeah.
Then we will easily get a job.
Definitely.
Yeah.
With the help of English, we can get job easily.
Easily, sir.
Because see, it is our communication, and people check our communication. That how are we in English? How are we in communication? Communication is a combination of conversation. Okay. And I think BPO is a very good sector.
BPO is a good sector too.
Okay. Apart from BPO, there are many sectors, but I am thinking that we should go. Banking sector is also very good, but English is required over there.
Sir, but banking sector, the most disadvantage of banking sector is
Timing.
Timing, no sir. Timing is not promotion.
Promotion.
Because many people work in banking sector.
Yeah.
So they are worked 4 and 5 years.
Yeah.
After
After they don't get permission.
Yeah,
No promotion.
Yeah, see, he after completed 4 years, then he went to other city.
Yeah.
He went to other city because he promoted other city.
Yeah, that's why.
They are not properly.
They don't get promotion in the same city.
Same city.
So this is the very big
This
disadvantage.
is a very big advantage.
Yeah, suppose
The timing was very long.
Yeah.
I thought when I used to study, when I thought if
Banking sector is very good
when I
job.
completed my graduation, then I joined banking because
will-
they are a very good job.
Yeah.
Because the timing is very good, 9 to 3 a.m.
Yeah.
But I completed my graduation and I went to
Bank sector.
bank sector. Then I show the banking is very long, the 9 to 7 p.m.
Yeah. And the private sector.
In every sector,
In
sir.
every sector. In every bank.
Every bank.
Very good. That's why.
Because Just before 2 days, I went to bank. Then bank manager said to me, you came here after 6 o'clock in the evening.
6 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah. Then I saw many people, many bankers are working in the
Bank. Still they are working in the bank after 6 o'clock.
in the evening.
So it is good. So you have chosen that you will work in the BPL sector.
Yeah.
Okay, it is
Because
good.
I saw you are work easily, and I saw my many types of friends.
They all are working while sitting at home.
They are all working in easily. One of my friend he left the job from mechanical branch and he joined the Taskers. He left her job
Okay.
because I completed my mechanical engineering. So my responsibility is I did job in my field. I do job my field.
You should do job in
Yeah.
your field. Okay, so I think from today you will not come here. So do you want to say something about this all the students who?
Sir, I really missed you and my classmates.
Yeah.
Because all are very small.
Yeah.
You are very small, and I can learn. I can learn many. I can learn to all.
Yeah,
Like
from
you-
everybody. You can
yeah,
learn from
yeah.
everybody. It is not that he is small that he will not teach you anything. He also can teach you many things.
Yeah, yes, sir.
We should learn from everybody.
And I learn many things for you.
From-
because
from you.
I saw you are very hardworking person.
Yeah.
If you
Thank you
before thank you sir. Before 2 months you said your story. Then how to complete your graduation, how to complete your job. Then I thought Sanjay sir is very hardworking. Sanjay sir was very hardworking person.
Yeah. We should try to do something or other in our life.
Yeah.
We should not be seated at home. We should not be idle. रिक्शा में कभी नहीं बैठो. Because our body is also like a part of gold. Gold shines when it hits. When we get its heat, so it shines. Okay. And you need to polish your communication.
Sir, actually you are completed my dream, because I never thought when I learned English, because when I used to study in 10th class, so I thought I scared about English.
Yeah.
But you teach me and you completed my course, and I thought I understood the English. We can talk easily to English to everyone.
Yeah.
So I am very happy about
Yeah. I'm also very happy that you have learned many things.
and many types of friends.
But overall, there is something which
Yeah.
we need to complete.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah, now it is time to polish our communication.
Yeah.
Overall, you have your basic course.
Yeah.
We can call it our basic course.
Yeah.
Okay? And while sitting at home, we can communicate with each other. We all will communicate in
Yeah.
English. And then we will polish our communication.
Yeah.
Polish means इसमें चार चांद लगाना है ना? Communication is it is like a conversation. So we have to do conversation. Okay? The English we have learned only small part.
Small part.
It's not a small part. English is an ocean. English is an ocean, and we have learned only a small river. Okay? It is infinite. Ananta. We can learn many things. But at least we have to learn till 1 year again.
But sir,
Then we have to be connected with the
but
English
sir, I
person.
completed my basic.
You have
The basic
completed your
is very
basic.
important for
Yes.
Everyone.
Basic is very important, and in the basic course we are able to speak
Yeah.
English. We are able to communicate.
we didn't complete my basic course, so I didn't talk to each other.
Yeah. So I am also very happy, and everybody, please let's give him big hand. Okay, listen. And I am thinking that we should give something to him, because he will go from here. So he also will miss me, and I also will miss him. Okay, everybody will be connected with each other. So I am giving a small present to Ajay Bhaiya. So everybody, please stand up and let's give him big hand once again. Everybody, please let's give him